How to unblock emails in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to unblock someone you just blocked on Gmail? Then don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Gmail and then go to the gear icon on the top right and then tap on See All Settings. Now, go ahead and tap on filters and blocked addresses, and there you'll be able to see the mails that you have blocked. Now, to unblock it, you just have to tap on unblock, and it's as simple as that. If there are many, then you can just select it all and then unblock the selected addresses. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.